Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my daily cleaning routine, and on this particular day my house was a little bit of a mess because I did not clean the night before. So I'm showing you how messy it gets when I don't clean at night, and yeah, this is just how it looks. Usually before I do my living room and my kitchen, I usually do my master bedroom and I clean up my kids' room, but that will be another video, so please stay tuned for that. But usually, like I said, before I clean up my bathroom or anything like that, I usually clean up my room, and my kids' room is the first to be done. So this is the oil diffuser that I got from my random shop with me haul, and I have to say how much I love this so far. I put this on before I clean up now, and I have to say that I love it. I use the orange and eucalyptus oil that came with it, and it just makes my environment feels very calming, and I'm just so happy that I bought it. I mean, I can't express it enough how much I love it. If you want to know a few details about it, I will link the video down below. And one of the other things that I absolutely love about it, that it lights up in different colors, and it just so cute. I absolutely love it. Right now I'm starting on my living room. I always do this before I do my kitchen or my dining room. I just gravitate towards my living room first. Right now I'm going to be putting back on my couch cushion covers because I always clean that once a week, and I did the rest of them before this video, but I'm doing the last two now. I always do this. I always vacuum in my couch, and I always wash my couch cushions covers once a week. I have to. I have a cat and I have a dog and I have children, so I make sure I wash those couch cushions covers. So every day I dust my couch. I make sure I do that, and I vacuum my couch. I always vacuum and dust my couch off. Like I said, I have a cat and a dog, and I have two kids, so I have to do that. In this bottle I have my essential oil called Clean Linen and water. I always spray my couch and my bed with that, and my floor, if my carpet floors, I always do that, and then I always vacuum. And this is what keeps my couch and my carpet floors fresh. To clean my coffee table and my dining room table, I always clean it with the antibacterial spray. And the antibacterial sprays I use is Method, or if I'm not using Method or antibacterial spray, I always use Mrs. Meyer's because it's non-toxic. I do this every single day so the dust and fur won't build up. To clean my entertainment system, I always clean with the Method glass and surface cleaner. I have to say this is one of my favorites now. It cleans up really good. It don't leave any streaks, and it smells great. I thought it was a strong minty smell, but it's minty, but it's not that strong, and I love it. bookshelves, I always clean it with my antibacterial. Like I said, I do this every day to make sure that the dust won't build up. And I also love this particular method cleaner because it smells so good. I cannot get over the smell. It's called bamboo, and I love that too. Now it's time to clean my dining room table. I always clean this with my all method antibacterial. That's the only thing I clean my table off with. It's also in the scent bamboo. I finally changed the covers of my dining room table chairs because my kids tore the ones that was on there up. I always have to change it every 3 months, so it's nothing new to me. But yes, I do this every single day. I clean off the chairs and also clean the table with the spray. That's the only thing I use on my table is antibacterial and all method. Now I'm taking off my background. If you haven't seen the video, my kid's doing the Bean Boozled challenge. That's why that's up there, and I'm just putting back the picture, the frame that was up there before. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. I will leave the link down below as well. It's very funny and it's very cute if you want to see cuteness overload. So right now I'm cleaning my entryway right here, this little bar table. It gets messed up every day. I always throw something on there, or my kids do, or my husband. So that is a mess every single day. I'm just cleaning that off, and also where we leave our shoes in this little bucket. I am going to find a little shoe rack to put right here, but for now we just use this bucket to keep our shoes in. So yeah, I do this every single day. And now it's time for me to clean up the kitchen. I'm just putting up all the things that was left on the counter from the night before and from this morning, because my kids go to summer camp, so I always fix them their snack and their lunch. So I'm just fixing that up right now and putting things back under the cabinet and in the refrigerator. Now it's time for me to do my dishes. I always wash my dishes by hand. I do not use the dishwasher only because that I really don't trust it. I've been doing the dishes ever since I was a little girl, so I always wash dishes by hand. Not to say that I won't try the dishwasher maybe in the future. The one that I have is kind of old, so I don't really trust it right now, but if I get a newer one, I will try it. I always use Dawn dish soap antibacterial. That's all I will use for my dishes. And if not, I use the Mrs. Meyer's because I also trust that. It's non-toxic. And I always use a little bowl to put my water and dish soap in. It just helps not to use all the dishwashing liquid at once. Right now, I love cleaning my sink with this baking soda from Mrs. Myers. And when I say leave your sink sparkling, it really does. And I always use a scrubber. I got this scrubber from Dollar Tree, and I love doing this. I do this every day, all the time. I do this once a day though. I probably wash dishes probably like twice a day, but only do this once a day. And I love cleaning my sink with it, and it leaves it shining, like clean. Now I'm just going to scrub my stove. I use baking soda and white vinegar to just get all the burnt and grease stains off. I'm just doing this every day just to get all this burnt stuff off the stove. Now I'm just wiping off my counters. I do this every day as well. I have to make sure all the counters are wiped off because I leave crumbs, or my kids leave crumbs when I cook or when I clean. And I always clean off my appliances. I have to, the stove, the dishwasher, and my refrigerator, but I didn't do my refrigerator today, but I always clean it off as well. And now I'm going to mop. Now I'm going to sweep. I always sweep and clean under my couches because, like I said, I have kids. Look at that. You see, they leave toys and everything under there, so I have to clean it up every single day. And before I mop, I sweep. Now it's time to mop. I do not use my squirt and mop every single day, but I use it most of the days. Sometimes I use my spin mop bucket and put my own solution in it, like pine sol and fabric softener. But on days that I just want to do a quick mop, I always use the squirt and mop. Right now I'm cleaning the guest bathroom / kids bathroom. My kids use this bathroom all the time, and if I don't clean it, you'll see toothpaste on the countertops and things on the floor. So I have to clean up this bathroom every day. Not only is their bathroom, but it's also the guest bathroom. So I make sure I clean this up. I always use the Clorox cleaner and bleach, only because I feel like it just takes off all the bacteria and the germs. So I always use this. It's 99% germ free. So I always use Clorox in my bathrooms. clean the tub every day. You know, they take a shower every single day or a bath, so I make sure that this stays clean so they won't be bathing or taking a shower in a dirty tub. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching my daily cleaning routine video. I will be doing more cleaning videos, so please stay tuned for that, and subscribe to this channel and like. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.